What is up, guys? Me and Dylan are back with another video. We're gonna be using the side-by-side today. We're gonna be putting some corn and mineral blocks, salt blocks out, and putting trail cameras up. We're gonna head that direction towards that mountain over there, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so we're starting to get into the woods now. So we're going down some pretty sketchy stuff to get here. Woo-hoo! She's sliding one. Oh no! We just had a big rain last night, about 6.5 inches, so everything's super muddy right now. So guys, like I said, it rained 6.5 inches last night. So we're curious to see what the creek's gonna look like. Hopefully we can cross it. Yeah, right here is kind of... All right, let's see the creek here. Stop right here and we'll get out and look at it. Or not here, yeah, out there on the side. Oh, it ain't that bad.
You just keep on right through here?
Yeah, let me look at it.
Hold on. Hold on.
All right. Here we go. That ain't going up that hill. It's dark in here. Alright, then you take this hill on the right, you gotta gas it.
Right here?
Yeah. Alright, one of the spots is right here. We're gonna put stuff out. Okay. Alright guys, so we made it to the first spot. So what I'm planning on doing is one of these trees right here. I'm gonna put either a climber or a ladder stand in. So the way, yeah, I had my tree stand in that one last year. What we're gonna do today, I'll probably put a camera on one of these trees, and then what do you say we put bait? I guess right here on the trail.
Yeah. Put it right here in the middle. I'll make a spot.
Cause you know they're already using this.
Oh.
This trail's been here a while.
There's a spot here.
All right, let's get this set up. All right guys, so we're gonna put this first camera up. As you can see in the time lapse, we got the bait out. So what I recommend if you guys ever put cameras out is try and get them, if you look, try and get them about in between your hip and knee height. I always say like 3 to 4. You can get it about 3 or 4 feet. Try and get everything out of the way so it don't mess up your camera images. So you get it here about 3 feet. I use dynamite wire, but you guys can use strap or anything.
2,000 years later.
So after you guys set it up, so you want to go over here. So you see this tree here. Try and get that out of the way. Try and get all these limbs out of the way. So if you look at the pile to the corn, or the corn to the camera, it's right is straight ahead. You think that's high enough?
Yeah, I think so.
I think it is too, because if they come down this hill, you should be able to see.
Mhm.
If they come through here, down here, up
Yeah, it's taking a picture of me right now.
Yeah. All right. So that one is taking pictures. All right. There's one site. Where we want to put the next one? Because I was gonna put it up here on the smooth plug road.
Yeah. Woo! Sunny day.
Smooths up right here once you get this hill. All right. Now go left. So you guys can see, this was our food plot road. We got to come in here soon. I know we're behind, but we got to come in here soon and cut this out, make a food plot. Our trail goes right here. So we'll put another site right here, guys. Alrighty. But all I was telling Dylan is, you can see right here. You can see right here on the tree, my lifeline. So I've used this tree in past years. Yeah, we gotta come back here and get that thing. Those things are like 50 bucks now.
Yeah, I know. All right, I'm gonna put it right here.
Yeah.
It's a good shot with a bow.
Yeah, I know. This will be, I'm trying to put a lot of these on this trail because I think the deer are using them, and they're already cleared out
They
for
will, anyway.
bow.
Look at that, that's a trail right there, guaranteed.
Yeah. So guys, what we're trying to prep for is we live in Tennessee, so the velvet hunt's coming up in about a month. Well, actually a little over a month. And we're trying to get everything set up and put out. We're a little behind because we've been busy a little bit, but we're gonna get all this set up, and I'm gonna try and put a stand in that big oak tree right there. And then if they use this trail at all, then it's a pretty open shot with good shooting lanes. All right, let's get this next one set up. All right guys, setting up number 3. We're not doing bait on this one, so this should be a quick time lapse. now. So guys, we just put the third and final camera out. So we're gonna go show you the view from this trestle. This is actually one of the smaller ones on the land. So I'll show you, sometime I'll show you the big one. Right here, we gotta watch for snakes.
I got a pump,
Okay, I heard buzzing. As long as that not, I think we're good. I think it's a June bug, not yellow jackets. Ugh. All right guys, so we're on the tracks now. So the way the land is laid out, so we have both sides here. And over there is the interstate. I don't know if you can see any of the semis or not. So we have 3 or 4 of these trestles that the railroad uses. It goes through the land, and you can get up here and see the land a lot better. Yeah, this one's actually one of the smaller ones. Yeah, there's one that I'll show you guys when we go back. We won't get up on it, but it's an easy 150 feet. It's tall. Yeah, so this right here, we're wanting to get the tractor over here and do a lot of this in the future. And then up to that hill, on that hill line over there, that's the land we just recently bought. As you can see, the posted signs down there too. But yeah, this is what we're working with. Stop right here a minute. So right there is the first site we put up. You can see that road, the trees up there a little ways. Now we're headed back down to the creek. All right, so we've made it back to the creek. So this is one of the creeks we're wanting to put minnow traps in. So you can see when it rains a lot, it gets pretty high. But normally it isn't this high, so it's normally a pretty good site for minnow traps. So once this water goes down a little bit, probably next week or so, we're gonna come here and make a minnow trap video. was a pretty successful trip.
Yeah, it was.
We made killer time. Guys, with everything we just did, we did that in about probably under an hour. So like I was telling you guys a minute ago, we're gonna, next video will probably be, it was gonna be the minnow trap video, but the water's too high. So probably in the next video, we're gonna let those cameras sit out a week and then go check them next week about the same time. And I think I'm curious to see what we'll get.
Amen. We'll get something, that's for sure.
What are your predictions?
I think we'll get that one you seen last year.
The one in Velvet?
Yeah.
Yep.
We ain't disclosing that one yet. And then I think we'll get a bear. Then
You think a bear? We've had this place for I think 4 years now. We have never got a bear. We've seen bear sign, but we've never got one on camera.
Yeah.
So I think it'd be pretty neat to get one of those.
Especially in those deep hardwoods, I think we'll see something.
Yep. I think, yeah, and that thick stuff, we'll see some cool stuff. I'm wanting at least a big 8-point.
Oh yeah. I guarantee you we'll get big 6.
Because I've never killed a velvet buck.
I want to kill that one I had last year. But, yeah, we kind of messed up on that one last year, or I did.
Yeah, guys, Dylan missed a big one because he didn't sight in his muzzleloader twice.
No, yeah, both of
Twice.
them with the muzzleloader, yeah.
Yep,
Man, shooting a muzzleloader is expensive, man.
it is.
But yeah,
So yeah, well, like I said, we're about a month out from Velvet. Starting to get the buck fever a little bit, and I'm hoping we get some buck images on camera because they'll really put me in a buck mode.
oh yeah, yeah. Plan on setting mine up this week.
So guys, if you like seeing this stuff, I know it's the first kind of outdoor or hunting video we've made. Make sure to like and subscribe,
There'll
and
be more to come in the fall.
yeah, there will definitely be plenty more of these in the fall, because about in the fall I only do school and deer hunt, so we'll have plenty of those. And then if you want to see anything specific you want us to do, you can always comment and just let us know. But like I said, next week we'll go and check the cameras and we'll show you everything we got, so make sure to ring the notification bells too to catch that upcoming video. See you guys.